Hi, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to replace the reversing switch on this 2006 Ford Fiesta. So here we are under the front of the car. As you can see, this switch is already broken, so I can't take the connector off just yet. I'll show you that in just a moment. But if your switch isn't broken like this one, then you'd have to remove the connector first. After that we get our 22mm socket and break the switch loose. Then it's just a matter of winding it out. We'll continue to unwind the switch now. They can be quite tough as they're wrapped in a Teflon-like tape on the threads to stop any oil leaking out. Once we get it far enough, we'll just use our fingers to run it out the rest of the way. Once it's out, we'll have a quick look inside. All the internals of this one have fallen out. As I said earlier, the switch had been smashed, most likely by a stone or something that flicked up off the road. But to remove the connector from the wiring harness, all we have to do is give it a gentle squeeze and give it a tug and it'll pop out as you see here. This would be even easier if it was still attached to the switch and on the car. Here's just a quick side by side of the old switch and the new switch. As you can see, completely broken in half. So now it's time to reinstall the switch. As you can see, it has some tape around the threads just to help with sealing. So as always, when you're installing something, you start by hand and just tighten it as far as you can go. While it's going in, I'll just let you know that after this, I opened up the drain and fill hole on the gearbox and added a bit more fluid, about half a litre, just to replace the fluid that had come out. Once we've got it in as far as we can by hand, we switch over to the 22mm socket and the ratchet and just tighten it down until it's as tight as we need to get it, being careful not to over tighten it. After that, it's just a matter of connecting the connector back to the switch. This pushes on. It can be a bit of a pain to get the connector the right way around, but once you do, that's the job done. It's always a good idea to give it a quick test before you hit the road. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.